What's up, guys? Earlier today I promised some people in a live stream that I would show I would get some footage of the borescope going down into this locked up engine. So let's see if I can get y'all a good some good footage. This engine's been setting with the no dipstick, no cover on the engine. You got breather on. It's just was setting with water and stuff in it. So I'm gonna start by putting it down in this down here in the dipstick. For y'all. Get it down as straight as possible. What you're seeing here is the gears for the governor. I don't know if I can get it past this, but you can look how all that rust and stuff on there. I'm trying to see if I can get it past all that so we can get further into the tank. Let me see. I don't know if I can get this thing to curb. This is not one of the best units. Try to get it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get it before y'all past that. Alright, y'all can see some of the rust. I don't think this engine's going to be savable. Now we're going to go into the spark plug hole right here. Hopefully y'all can see. Look at all that mess between carbon buildup and just dirt and stuff that's deep in there. Look at that. That's but yeah, this engine's been setting for quite a while, uncovered, no dipstick, no breather covered, no nothing, setting out here, or setting at the customer's place. No telling when. This is an older Argo here with a Kohler engine. Anyway, guys, that's the short video. I promise. Anyway, I'm off of here. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.